Here we have Pink Stork Slim Tea. Here are the list of the ingredients that are inside this tea bag. Placing your tea bag into your cup, you can add sugar or honey. I used all-purpose Canadian honey just to sweeten it up a bit. And then add your boiling water on top of your tea bag, soaking your herbs. I let it soak for about 2 minutes. You can reuse this bag 2 times. Mix 2 cups of tea. With Pink Stork Slim Sweet Hibiscus Tea, for best use, drink 1 to 3 cups per day, in the morning, noon, or in the evening. You can drink this tea either hot or cold, but best results to make the tea is using boiling water. You can make all your teas at once and put it in the fridge to cool for when you're ready to drink it in the evening. This tea is designed to boost energy, increase metabolism, and improve digestion. A whole leaf tea means better quality herbs, better tasting, and better health benefits for faster and effective results. Also, naturally achieves your postpartum health goals. This tea is also safe to use while breastfeeding. Your tea is ready. Enjoy! Check out these other videos. Thanks for watching.